Welcome to our channel. Today we'll walk you through the simple yet crucial process of logging into your Branded Surveys account as a beginner so you can start earning rewards smoothly and without hassle. Welcome to our channel. If you're new to Branded Surveys and wondering how to log into your account effectively, this detailed step-by-step guide is made just for you. First, open your preferred web browser and type in the official Branded Surveys website address. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button, usually positioned at the top right corner. Click on it to proceed. You will see two fields, one for your email address and one for your password. Carefully enter the email address you used to register your account. Make sure there are no typos or mistakes, as this is key to accessing your profile. Next, type in your password precisely. Passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure caps lock is off and check for any accidental spaces. After filling these details, click the Login or Submit button. If your credentials are correct, you'll be directed to your dashboard where surveys are available. In case you forgot your password, there is a Forgot Password link usually near the login fields. Clicking this will help you reset your password by following the instructions sent to your registered email. Remember to keep your login details private and secure to protect your personal information. Logging in regularly also keeps your profile active and helps you not to miss out on survey opportunities. With these simple steps, you can confidently access your Branded Surveys account every time and begin your journey towards earning rewards. At any moment, if you encounter problems with logging in, verifying your internet connection or restarting your browser can help. Also, using updated browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge ensures the login process is smooth and error-free. Now that you know how to log in easily, you are ready to explore surveys and participate actively. This guide simplifies what might seem complex at first and helps you get started without confusion. Don't forget, your rewards are just a login away.